Well, we made it to another beautiful day. I feel so happy and grateful to be alive. The grass is looking beautiful. I'm grounding. The sun feels good out here getting that vitamin D and getting that fresh air. It feels so good and wonderful to be alive. Dogs barking, birds chirping. We got a beautiful view right here. Plants are looking beautiful and so are the trees. You gotta love nature. If I have anything to tell you is to accept and love yourself for who you are, do things that make you happy, stay away from drama and negativity, and to live your best life. Peace.